Are you looking to sideload applications not available on your Firestick? Check this out, guys. I got 2 different ways to get you applications that you would like on your Firestick. First thing you need to do, search icon. Type in downloader. D-O-W is probably all you need. Downloader. Download, install it, get it. Downloader gives you the ability to sideload applications onto your Firestick that may not be available in the Amazon Fire Store, or that will be available on the Google Play Store. Once you have Downloader installed, come down to My Fire TV under the settings icon. If you do not have developer options listed, click on About, Firestick, click on it about 7 times, and then mine says no need, you're already a developer. Before you back out of here, come down, check for updates to make sure everything's up to date on your Firestick. Back out, developer options, turn on ADB debugging, install unknown apps, turn on downloader. Now our Firestick is jailbroken. Ability to sideload applications that are not available from the Amazon App Store. Let's find downloader over on the 3 squares plus sign. Let's move it to the front here. Click the 3-line button on your remote, move it to the front. As you can tell, now we have it as highlighted in our main screen. Click on downloader. Enable it. Click OK. Then we're going to type in a quick shortcut for our URL, 370.178.178. Click go. There's a quick little 5-second redirect to our website, ledbytheunknown.com. This is straight to the downloads page. If that link did not work, try 546-835. While we're here, click on the 3-line button. Add this page to your favorites, save, and then you can just use the favorites bar on the left to find it real quick without having to type in that URL all the time. Now on the downloads page, on this downloads page, we have quick links, we have how-tos, we have top 10s, you name it, we have it. Under movies, TV shows, and live TV, we download applications like Freevee, Awesome, Awesome, Pluto, Zumo, Peacock, DAZN. Let's try Zumo today. Like I said, I got multiple ways to do this for you. Zumo has an Amazon Android devices or a mobile device download. Click install. Once the application's installed, just click done and then delete the APK file, because we no longer need the APK downloaded file on our device. It's just going to waste room. So we download it as Zumo TV. Here we can come down and, as you say, Zumo Play. Another way to download is in the search icon. Told you, some of these apps are available on the Firestick, some are not. Z-U, Zumo. And we can just load it up, or you can download it. Zumo Play will take a few moments to start up. And as you can tell, we got live TV, movies, TV shows. Movies, TV shows featured, most popular, black, originals, exclusives, editor picks, recently added, action, thriller and horror, crime, comedy. Like Zumo has Doc Holliday, folks. There you go. Billy the Kid. You want some old school stuff? Here you go. Bermuda Island. Never heard of it. Here we go. Code. The King of the Lost World. Right, folks? Yes, sir. I think so. Enjoy. All right. Happy streaming and peace.